Good morning, I'm Shanta from Diabetes.co.uk. Today I'm going to be cooking keema with mushrooms or mince with mushrooms. For an added twist, I'm going to be using veggie mince, which is widely available in supermarkets up and down the country. For this dish we need some veggie mince, some roughly chopped button mushrooms. In terms of the dry spices, we're going to be using some garam masala and turmeric powder. We also need some finely chopped tomatoes, onions, chilies, garlic, ginger and coriander. For this dish, to begin with, we need to add some vegetable oil into a wok. When that's hot, we're going to add the onions and we're going to fry them until they've browned. Now that the onions have been browning for about 3 minutes, we're going to add our ginger and garlic and cook them through. Just going to cook them through for about a minute. Now we're going to add the tomatoes to our onion mixture and stir thoroughly, followed by the turmeric. Make sure you stir the turmeric right through. We're going to add the ground cumin as well as the chilies. We're then going to cook this on a medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now that the tomato mixture has thickened and has an even thick consistency, we're going to add the veggie mince. Give that a good stir and then add the mushrooms. As you can see, the mushrooms turn a lovely yellow colour due to the turmeric. And we're going to add some salt to taste. Now that the mushrooms have been cooking for about 3 minutes along with the mince, we just stir it. If it sticks to the bottom, as this has a little bit, we just add a touch of water and then stir it again.